Hello guys, today I will tell you ways to earn money online with a mobile phone. There are dozens of ways to do so, and one video might not be able to cover it. I will brief you about all these ways. Researching further and implementing is your job to do. These are all legit ways and you can make a career out of all these ways. Almost everybody has a smartphone, and the time you waste in watching cat videos can be utilized in earning money. So, without wasting any time, let's continue. 1. Chat support. Today is an e-commerce era. Every website needs to provide customer service 24/7. Chat support is basically customer service that provides assistance to customers through messaging app or chatbot. It is a fast-growing job. You should develop few skills. If you want to do this job, you have to be attentive, to give timely and accurate response to customers. You should be able to memorize and recall. You may have to talk to multiple customers at a time. You should be able to do multitasking. And, you have to learn about software navigation. 2. Video editing. Video editing is one of the biggest needs of digital world. Every video you see on YouTube or any other platform includes editing. Vast majority of videos can be edited with mobile phone. There are multiple softwares you can use for such purposes. I will mention some names. KineMaster, Filmer, Filmora Go, Viva Video, and Quick. You can easily learn how to use them by watching YouTube tutorials, and can be professional in video editing. 3. Social media management. Every company, every celebrity, every online business need a social media manager. Social media management is such a skill, which anyone can do, because almost everybody is familiar with social media. If you can handle your social media accounts, you can handle others too. Social media manager has to manage an organization's online presence by making strategies, producing quality content, analyzing usage data, provide facilitating customer service, to manage projects and campaigns. 4. Social media marketing. Social media marketing means to use social media and social networks to market a company's products and services. You can market someone's products on social networks like Facebook, LinkedIn, or you can do it on bookmarking sites, like Pinterest and Flipboard. You can do it by sharing media on websites like YouTube. Another way to do it is by writing community blogs. It's a very wide profession, and you can make so much money, if you become good at it. 5. Content writing. Content writing includes writing, editing, and publishing content in a digital format. That content can be video or podcast scripts, ebooks, press releases, product category descriptions, blog posts and more. Content writers are basically the storytellers for a brand. Today, content writer is more in demand than ever before. If you are good at writing, you can make a career out of content writing. A content writer is important for creating high-quality content that represents and build up a brand's voice. But, make sure to write unique and original content, and don't just copy-paste from online. 6. Social media influencer. It was never so easy to influence the world as it is today. You can be a social media influencer like thousands of other people, who became social media influencers, with just their phones. And the interesting part is, most of them are teenagers. And they charge plenty of money for one social media post, for other people, and brands. The apps like TikTok made it more easy than ever. So, if they can do it, you can do it too. So, that's it for today's video. Remember, if you want to achieve it, just take action, simple as that. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. Goodbye, take care.